Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Redmi has confirmed that they will release the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition on February 16, 2022. According to Redmi GM Lu Weibing, the device has an A+ certificate and achieved 15 quality records at once. So let's talk about the display. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition has a 120Hz display with a 480Hz touch sampling rate. It also supports 1920Hz PWM high frequency dimming to lessen stress on the eyes when gaming for a longer time. According to Redmi, the dimming frequency of this phone is 3 times higher compared to the usual 480Hz, which helps maintain color accuracy in low light settings. Here is a list of all the achievements of the Redmi K50 gaming display. It has the highest contrast, minimum screen reflectivity, minimum viewing angle brightness change, largest screen native color gamut, optimum white color accuracy, best absolute color accuracy, and the highest OLED smartphone full screen brightness. Now let's talk about the camera. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition will come with 64MP Sony IMX686 as its primary camera. For the front camera, it comes with a 20MP Sony IMX596. The sensor has a maximum resolution of 9248 by 6944 pixels and offers a pixel size of 0.8 micrometer to 1.6 micrometers. Here is a sample photo of the main camera released by Redmi. Another feature of the front camera is Xiaomi's AI beautification for better selfies. Now let's talk about the display. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition has a 6.67-inch OLED 2400 by 1080p display with 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. It will also have Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Now let's talk about the chipset. The device will come powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. To regulate the temperature, it features a VC cooling area of 4860mm². Redmi claims that it will be the world's first to be equipped with a CyberEngine ultra-wideband motor. For the camera setup, there will be a triple camera setup. On the back one is the 64MP Sony IMX686 primary sensor. The other two sensors are the 13MP OmniVision OV13B sensor and a 2MP tertiary lens. On the front camera, there will be a 20MP camera, which is great for video calling and selfies. It will also come with side-mounted fingerprint sensors for security. For the OS, it will have the latest Android 12 operating system out of the box, with its own MIUI 13 custom user interface on top. For the battery, the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition will be powered by 4700 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging support. The phone will come in two colors, which is blue and silver. The phone is equipped with a haptics motor called CyberEngine. The manufacturer of the CyberEngine claims that this is the best X-axis motor in the industry. It measures a whopping 560mm² and covering the frequency range between 50Hz and 500Hz, making it the biggest one so far. It is unrivaled in the Android segment and is significantly higher than the 130Hz motor on iPhones. The motor is both precise and strong. It is about 3 times stronger than the commonly used motors today. So what do you guys think? If you have questions and suggestions for our next video, hit me up in the comments down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's the end of our video and I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must, and I'll see you guys next time.